Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a really exciting one and I'm not going to talk for too long because we have a lot to fit in, but this is the first in my series of house renovation vlogs. I've been going back to the house every single day to check up on the builders, to chat to them and to vlog the process as well. So I really wanted to share this with you guys. One, because I'm just so passionate about the project. I'm really loving every minute. And two, I just think it would be really helpful for other people who are going through any type of renovation, big or small. This is in no way me showing off, and I know there will be a small percentage of people who will kind of be quite negative towards this, but hopefully the most of you will just really enjoy kind of sharing this project with us and seeing the progress. I think it's so interesting. So I really hope you enjoy this, and there will be more to come, probably every like couple of weeks or something. So yeah, I'm gonna insert the clips now. Okay, it's day one of our house renovation and I've just popped in to see what it looks like because I think today they were planning on ripping out as much stuff as they could. So I haven't even looked yet. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Okay, so the carpet's all gone. Oh, actually I wanted to see what the stairs look like. They seem like pretty good quality stairs actually, because we were trying to decide whether to have a runner or not, and obviously someone previously has had a runner, so that is interesting. Ooh, okay. This is so exciting. Let's see. Oh my god. That is a lot of rubbish. This is our lounge. Wow. Oh my god, they've literally ripped out the kitchen in a day. This is so exciting. So they've ripped out the entire kitchen pretty much, and there is a lot of rubbish in here. Oh my god. Let's see. Ooh, understairs cupboard. That's been ripped out as well. Let's see. Upstairs. The bathroom is completely been ripped out. So the floor's still here. Oh, I'm kind of a bit scared to walk in here. But this has all been ripped off. All the tiles. Apart from this shower. This bit hasn't been ripped off yet. That's so crazy. All the floor. All the carpet's gone. And this room is just floorboards too. It's quite cool actually to see my office with the floorboards. They are nice, but I think they're too much work to kind of sand them down, I think. I don't know. That's so mad. They said they were gonna rip it all out today, but I kind of didn't believe them. Okay, so day two, and I've just realized that the electricity is not gonna be on, so you guys are not gonna be able to see. But Rich, can I borrow your torch? We've just walked in and the walls are completely stripped. So all of the crazy funky wallpaper has all gone. I should really come and do these updates during the day when I can show you guys properly. Okay, so the rubbish is still the same, there's just loads more. So as you can see, this is the wallpaper we had before, and they've stripped this. Wow, look, Rich. It's like pink floral wallpaper.
Cool actually.
Okay. Oh my god, there's so many things in the floor, be careful.
Be careful of the spiky bit.
Whoa. Showers come out, all the tiles have come out. The floor tiles have been stripped.
They're the old ones.
So in our bedroom, the wallpaper, oh my god, the grey wallpaper's finally gone. It's all been stripped. It smells delish in here. It stinks. It smells like when my parents' house got flooded. These updates at the beginning might be a bit random and short because there's little things happening and I don't want this video to drag on too much, so sorry for that, but we will be back tomorrow, I think, to see what they've done then. I've realised that counting days isn't going to work because I can't keep track and we're not necessarily coming every day, but it's kind of the end of the first week. It's a weekend. We just got here. And this is outside. So I think they must have started digging out the back for our extension, which is so exciting. They're having to do it all by hand because we live in a terrace house, so you can't like get a digger, which obviously would make it so much quicker. So I'm gonna go outside and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the outside, and then as you can see, they've started digging down. So this is where kind of the extension will go to. It's kind of 3 meters. I'm a bit terrified. You sure I'm not gonna fall and die? Wow. So they've gone really deep. It's exciting. So all of this will be our kitchen and our dining table will be here. Okay, we're back in the house. It's the Tuesday after bank holiday weekend, and we just came to see what the builders have been doing today. They're so nice and very tidy. I'm very impressed. I see they've been eating watermelon. I'm gonna bring them some ice lollies because it's very hot this week. So the trench has now been turned into like a side trench. They've just moved this fence up a little bit to give them some space, but it's just temporary. So this, oh my god, I really don't want to fall. This is where our new wall is going to go. This is the back of our garden, and we're trying to figure out how we're going to get rid of all this bamboo because it's completely overgrown. Like, there is so much bamboo. So yeah, we're gonna have to get someone to come around and give us a quote on doing something with this. How are you feeling about house renovation stuff?
Good.
It's exciting to be in a garden in summer. We haven't really been in here yet.
Yeah, this is probably your first time in here, isn't
It's
it?
definitely my first time. It's a little bit overgrown.
Just that bamboo. It's ridiculous. How quick it grows.
Let's go take a photo in the bamboo for the memes. It's Friday and I've come back to the house to see what has been done because yesterday I came and they were doing the foundations, and then they said they were gonna fill it with concrete today. So what's really exciting is this doorway has been created. So as you walk into our house, this is gonna be a sliding door into our toilet. But as you can see, it adds so much light into the hallway. I'm gonna ask if they can put a little bit window up here because I really like this light coming through, and when the door's there, it will go dark again. So keeping this bit like this, but then having a sliding door here, that's the understairs cupboard. So that's really exciting. Kitchens, like floors exposed now, and it's all concrete there. And they've also taken all the flooring up in the house, so as you can see, it's all kind of covered. They've also ripped off the fireplace, which is amazing because actually the opening is bigger than I thought. We're gonna have a wood burner in there, and I think like tile the inside, so that's all prepped because the company's coming on Monday to have a look at that. We're using a company called Stoke Limited, so that's really exciting. And then if I take you outside, concrete mixer there. So I don't want to go out because the concrete's like wet and stuff, but basically they've filled the trench. It's called a trench, yeah?
Yeah.
I've been saying the right words, with concrete, which is like the foundations. So it's really exciting to see like how much further it's all gonna be going out. So I think that's what was done today. Good evening, guys. You will have to excuse what I look like. I am so tired today because I went to the BAFTAs last night with Debs and we got back so late. I had to have an afternoon nap. So I look like crap and my lips are going crazy. But me and Rich really wanted to come look at the house today. Well, we're coming every day. I didn't vlog on Friday because there wasn't really much to update you guys on. And there will be days like that where the builders are doing work that you can't really see, but I think today they started putting the walls up of the extension, and we also had our fireplace seen too. We're using a company called Stoke Limited. I'm going to link below any kind of external companies that we use. They're going to be fitting a wood burner for us. So I think one of the guys from them came today to prep the fireplace and kind of get it ready for later on when we actually are going to put the wood burner in, like later in the summer. So that's really exciting. So I'm looking forward to going in and seeing what it looks like today. Okay, we just come into the house and actually so much has been done. It's really exciting. This is just today actually, because we came on Saturday. So first of all, like I said, the fireplace has all been prepped. So this was just like crazy bricks everywhere. And well, Rich, what do you think they've done? They've probably cleared the chimney and then they've like kind of blocked it all out. I don't know any of the official terms.
It's like basically plastered. And it's like
so it's really cool to see what the opening's going to be like, because we're going to have tiles in there.
Bridge in here, like they just.
Oh wow! Yeah, it's done so well. It's so neat and tidy. And then this, you legally now have to have like a bit of slate or something there, which is a bit annoying. You can't have it like flush to the ground, but it's going to look so great. And then we're probably going to get a mantelpiece. But that looks really cool. I'm so happy with that. And then another really exciting thing is this bit. So you know that this doorway had been opened. Well, they've started to put where the wall's going to be for the toilet, which is this. So if you can kind of imagine, you walk into the toilet here, the toilet will be there, the sink will be here, and the washer dryer will be here. So we can kind of see now, sorry if this guy's making you feel a bit sick, but this is going to be the toilet there, and you can really see it's starting to take shape. That's really cool.
Well, they're using my ladder.
Oh, are you happy about that?
Yeah, it means it's a good ladder.
Okay, and Rich is here. There's more exciting stuff outside.
Like, checked
And striped. Oh my god, look how tired I look today. Should we look outside, open the back door? Okay, so remember where those trenches were? Well, they've now started bricking the walls. So Rich, why do they use a different brick at the bottom?
So it's actually 2 layers if you look at it.
Oh yeah, so look, they've got like this like inside layer and then outside layer.
So that's original brick.
Mark would love this. Mark and Anna need to come and look at this.
In here they'll put insulation.
Okay, so they've done the brick all the way around to like kind of hip height, and all the way around here, and then this wall is going all the way up to like head height. That's so cool to see it like taking shape. So it's quite sunny and it's difficult to show you guys, but this is the space we're talking about. Wow. Just popped back into the house. Not much has really happened today, but it's all kind of electrical stuff. So they've been like pulling up the floorboards to do all the electrics. So it's one of those things you don't really see, but it's happening. So as you can see, they're like putting in new sockets. There are hardly any sockets in this house, so it's really exciting that they're putting lots of these in. It's all gonna have to be replastered. The same in our bedroom as well, like double sockets there. We're probably gonna have a TV on the wall. It's not gonna look great, but I want a TV in the bedroom for when we have kids and stuff. So as you can see, all the floorboards being ripped up. And sockets behind my beauty desk, which is gonna make straightening my hair a lot easier. And then bedside sockets, bedside lights. We only have a king size bed, but we've done it for a super king just in case one day we change our mind. More sockets here. Finally a light switch that is near the door, because our main light switch was down here before. As you can see outside, they've dug this for the drain, because we have to move this drain to behind the new wall. I'm not sure what I showed you last time I came, but I'm here. It's the day of the royal wedding. We've just watched it. It was glorious. I'll show you around quickly. They've taken out the second fireplace, which we're going to cover up. They've also, so that's where the toilet's going to go. They've also, look, the steel has arrived, and they've kind of opened that up to have a window there. So this is where the toilet will go. Washer dryer will be here. As you can see here, this is the steel from upstairs coming up from downstairs. Okay, I've quickly come back to check on the house again. Not much has changed that you'll be able to see. A lot of it's like electrical stuff. But they have put these up. So this is basically holding our house up right now, which is terrifying. It's really crazy to see kind of how a house is built. You can kind of see when these are up. But they're gonna put this steel up tomorrow and then knock this wall down, and hopefully the whole house won't fall down. The rest is basically spotlights upstairs, but it's really feeling like a proper building site right now. Doesn't really look anything like a home. We just popped into the house and I couldn't like vlog properly because all the builders were there and it would have been really embarrassing, but I did take a clip. It's really exciting because they've actually knocked down that back wall to the extension and they've put the steel up, so it's really exciting to see. You can kind of start to see how big the space is going to be now, and we were just talking about like coving and skylights and the difference between the like new wall and the old wall and all boring stuff like that. But we're actually going away in 2 days time, so much is going to happen while I'm away, and I'm really sad that I'm not going to be able to update like vlogging while we're away. It's just a week though, so hopefully not too much will happen. Well, I want it to happen, but I also wanted to be vlogging it. So I think now's a good time to end this video because we're going away and I've showed like the first stages of building the extension, and the next stuff's going to be like plaster walls and floors and like second fixings kind of. So I hope that you guys found this interesting. It's all very exciting. I'm so happy and so grateful and all the feels. Let me know if you like this video, and hope you're looking forward to the next one, which will be in a few weeks time maybe, I'm not sure. Don't you love it when your camera battery runs out? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.